Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a simple ebook giveaway funnel using Builderall's Pixel Perfect Builder. We are going to use a lead capture page. We're going to format the thank you page, and then we're going to have a download page so that you can start generating leads using the free ebook giveaway method for generating leads. Now, what that means is, in order to generate leads, you want to give something away of value. You want to give something away for free. So this is a great way to start generating leads for either Builderall or for any business that you are trying to build online. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of walk you through the process of using the Builderall Pixel Perfect's ebook giveaway funnel so that you can start doing this in your business. So if you want to learn how to do that, then keep on watching. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please go ahead and take just one moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the content. What we want to do is we want to start generating leads by giving something away for free. This is a basic marketing principle. So if you want to learn how to generate more leads up front for whatever it is that you're doing, start figuring out how to start creating your own lead magnets and really start focus on giving away value and giving away stuff that'll help people. This is a great way to generate quality leads that actually are interested in what you have to offer, because someone that is more willing to, consume education is a better lead on the front end. So this is a way that you can start generating leads through giving away ebook funnels. Now, if you're not sure how to create your own lead magnet, I do have a small course that you can check out called the 30-Minute Lead Magnet, and I will link it below. And I basically walk you through the process of finding places where you can get a license to ebooks that already exist and then kind of make them your own so that you have something to give away that is yours on the fly. I show you a little bit of my insider process of how I do this when I need something quick to give away. And I also walk you through how to actually create your own ebook, how to modify it, and how to add your affiliate links so you can actually make some money when you give away free ebooks. So if you want to check out that course, I will link it right below this video for you to check it out. Okay, so let's go ahead inside of my Builderall account so that we can create this funnel. Okay, so here we are inside my Builderall back office, and the first thing I want to do is I want to go to the Builder section and go to Drag and Drop Pixel Perfect, and I want to go to New Website because that is where I am going to access the templates. Now, we are coming up with a huge relaunch on July 27th. So by the time you watch this video, some of this back office may look a little bit different, but all you have to do is go search out the ebook funnel and you'll be able to access the template. So I'm just giving you a heads up just in case, okay? So we want to go, I think it's to internet marketing. No, it's to the sales funnel. We want to go to sales funnel and we want to go to ebook magnet funnel. Now check out how simple this is. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to just go for this template right here, and we want to edit this funnel. Now, of course, guys, you're going to need to have something to give away for free. So maybe you're already with a company that gives you these types of things to give away. If you do, then just put the ebook cover here, and you can go ahead and give that away. Also, if you want to create your own ebook cover, let me just give you a quick little tip. And this is what I love about Builderall. I mean, literally, you can do whatever you want inside Builderall. If you come inside of the apps section, go ahead here under apps. You're going to go ahead, actually, I believe it's under design. It's actually under Design Studio. Okay? So once you go to Design Studio, you have mock-ups here, and you can actually create ebook covers right here, okay? So for example, if you want to create an ebook, all you have to do is upload a cover, and then you can download it right from here. So you can just put in any cover or a picture or whatever, and this will create the ebook cover for you. I've created a few ebook covers from here. Now, if you need something designed custom, I do recommend that you check out Fiverr. I will link it below, even though I think most of us know what Fiverr is, right? But if you have a specific ebook cover that you want to make, and you need it professionally done, you can either go to Fiverr, or I also teach you how to create your own ebook cover from scratch in my 30-minute lead magnet course using a software that I use called canva.com. So I walk you through that process so that you will learn how to create your own branded ebook from scratch. But just so you know, you have different options. You can come in here with Builderall if you already have the cover, and you can make the mock-up, or you can get it designed on Fiverr, or you can also design an ebook cover on Canva, okay? So then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and come over here, and you want to change your product image. So I'm going to go ahead and change the image here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a product image in here, and I'll just use this one. Okay, this was for another project, so I'll put that in there. Okay, so there's your ebook cover, and then you can just go ahead and put your headline, and you can brand this, etc. I'll just go ahead and change it up a little bit here, change the color maybe to red so that it matches. Okay, and we'll go ahead and we'll save that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put here ebook funnel test. Okay. Oh, I already tried one. So let me go ahead and put ebook funnel test 2. Okay. Okay, and then remember here, you want to go ahead and you want to make sure that you configure your mailing boss, and I have a mailing boss playlist, so I will go ahead and link that below in the description box, and make sure that you create a list for this free ebook offer. Okay, so depending on what you're giving away and what you're trying to generate leads for, you also want to create the mailing list in Mailing Boss. So in order to do that, just check out my playlist, and then what you want to do is you want to link the list through Mailing Boss right here. So just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click Mailing Boss, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select you know, any autoresponder that I have here. Okay, so now this is set. So now let's say, for example, once they opt in, I want them to go to the thank you page. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the URL. Okay, so right here where you see no action, what that is you want to link them to somewhere while they're pending subscribe, and we're going to do the same thing for pending subscription confirmed. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this, and we're going to take them to a page. Okay, and remember, this funnel already comes with all the pages that you need to create this kind of funnel. So we're going to go ahead and create confirmation email page, and we're going to keep it open in the same tab. We don't want them to stay here. We want them to leave this page, so we would leave it right here. So go ahead and click OK, and we want to stay on this page, and again, select confirmation email page again. Okay, so here we go. We want to stay on this page, and we want to confirm, and now that's set, and we want to click save. Okay, cool. Now here's another tip. When you're using the Pixel Perfect, you'll see that you have the monitor view, the desktop view, you have the iPad view here, and then you have the mobile. Turn off this mobile. You know why? Because now Builderall basically has it coded so that it will automatically adjust to the iPad level, so you don't need to design for this view, for the tablet view. So let's just go ahead in here into the gear section, okay, and we're going to go ahead and click platform settings, and then put no for tablet mode. What that means is now it will adjust for tablet just by doing the one view. Okay, so I opened my window a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and click save. Okay, so that's done. We're going to click save, and now you'll see that the tablet disappeared. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this in desktop view. Okay, I didn't save before I configured my email, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and configure it again. But let's go ahead here and let's go ahead and see what it looks like in mobile view. Okay, so it looks perfect in mobile view. All our templates are already in mobile view, so if you can, you know, design from a template, you're better off because it's already formatted in the mobile view. All right, so let's just go to return to edit. Okay, and then here you want to go ahead and put your headline, okay? And here you want to put your subheadline, and you want to do that. So I'm not going to focus on copywriting right now. You can go ahead and check out our copywriting app right here, which is right here. And you can click on script generator. And if you need copywriting help, you can go ahead and you can generate a script right here. You can go to internet marketing, and you can go to your funnel scripts. You can go to squeeze page template, or a short form sales letter, or a free book giveaway script. Here's perfect. Okay, so this will give you some copy for a free ebook. So you can just go ahead and check this out. This is like an email if you want to send your list an email of the ebook that you want to give away. I mean, you can do anything you want in Builderall, because I mean, you could be in the middle of doing a lead capture page and realize, oh man, I need some copy for this. You could just go to the copywriting app and then figure out your copywriting and come back and then fill it out. So, or maybe you need a photo while you're in the middle of doing your, you know, your sales page, and you're like, you know what, let me just use the photo studio and do a mock-up. So, I mean, really, it's endless what you can do, okay? So anyway, so let's go to the next page. So we're going to go ahead here, and then we're going to go to the confirmation email page. Okay, so all you have to do is go through these steps, and you can go ahead and you can customize this. And then what I would do is I would also add a button here. Okay, and I'm going to create a button that says something like continue. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to click text here. Continue to download ebook. And I'm going to go ahead to appearance, and I'm going to make that font a little smaller. So you would go over here and you would just go like this. Okay, so then what we want to do here is we want to connect them to the download page. So let's go ahead and go to action, and go ahead and link them to a page, and we want to go to download page. Okay, now from here you can go to open a new tab or open in the same tab. We'll just go to open a new tab because it's okay, they can stay here. We just don't want them to stay on an opt-in form. There's no point in that. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Okay. Let's click save. And we'll preview this. Look how cool that is. Oh, I like those animations. That's really cool. And then we can go to the download ebook page, and that's going to take them to the next page. Okay? All right, so we're almost done with our funnel. So here we are now in the download page. Okay? So obviously you want to put your image here again. So just to keep it consistent, we'll go ahead and put the same image. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it here. Make sure the check mark is there. Click confirm. Okay, and now here's really important. You want to upload the PDF into here. So we're going to go ahead and right click this, and we're going to go to action, and we're going to go to document. Okay, now you can go to file search, and it will search you know, anything that you've already uploaded. Okay, so if you've already uploaded documents, you can select it from here. Or you can click the upload button and select one from your computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to put here this one. Okay. And we're going to click confirm. And you'll see that it's here. You see the document link. Okay. So we're going to click OK. Whoops. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And we're going to save. Okay. And let's go ahead and look at this in desktop view. And now you'll see that the report will be available here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and check this out on mobile. And and the mobile view is already ready as well, which is cool, which is why it's cool. Like if you're doing something simple, just work from a template. It's just so much easier to do. I really think that that's the fastest and easiest way to go. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to go ahead and we are going to go back to the builder and we're going to drag and drop perfect. Now we're going to go to my sites and you'll see that that site is there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check it out and I'm going to find it and we're going to go to here. See how this one's gray and this one's blue? Okay, well that's because this one hasn't been published yet. So what we want to do is we want to go to more options and we go to publish. Okay, so we're going to publish it. And now, while you're here, you can go ahead and categorize it if you want. So I'm going to go to edit category, and I can put, you know, test funnels. Okay, I love to categorize my stuff. That way it's easy for me to find. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. And now this ebook is ready. This funnel is ready. So let's go ahead and test it out and see if it works. And now we're subscribed and boom, we're done. Okay. I love this. This is so cute. And then we're going to go ahead and continue to download the ebook. Boom, you are done. Okay, so basically it took me, what, 10-15 minutes to do this funnel. So it only take you 10-15 minutes to do this funnel. Of course, you're going to need to account for some copywriting. So what I recommend is before you even start building your funnel out, just have your copywriting ready, have what you're going to say ready. And if you don't know, and if you have no clue how to do any of this, I'm telling you, my 30-minute lead magnet course, I walk you through where you can get your ebook, where you can already get some copywriting that you can use, how to use things that already exist and just put your name on it so that it looks like it's coming from you. This is a really great way to save time and also create value in the marketplace. So make sure you check out that 30-minute lead magnet course. I will link it right below this video. And when you buy the 30-minute lead magnet course, I've included an extra bonus in there for you where you'll be able to download a free share funnel for a 3-page ebook giveaway lead magnet. I will give you a template that's already looks really nice and designed so that you can use it as a starting point to tinker with. So make sure to check that out in the bonus section if you purchase my course. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. I hope that this helped. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And make sure you start generating leads by giving stuff away for free. Just whatever niche you're in, you can look for free stuff to give away and just offer them to people as a way to get people into your sales process. And this is a great way to generate leads quickly to start giving away for free. And again, I go over all that in detail in my 30-minute lead magnet course. So make sure to check that out. And I'll also throw in that free share funnel bonus for you so that you can get a copy of that as well. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion for tutorials or anything that you would like to see, especially when it comes to the Builderall tools, please go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section below. I love making tutorials. And if you've got something specific that you want to see and I can fit it into like a 10-15 minute tutorial, I'll be more than happy to whip up a tutorial that I can share with everybody so that everybody benefits. So anyway, again, this has been Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and check my description box if you want to activate a 7-day free trial inside Builderall. And if specifically you want to partner with my team, Team Rise, I will have that information right below in the description box as well. So by the way, this is an ebook for a ClickBank product. So yeah, I mean, this is really, really simple. You can create these all day long and give away ebooks using the ClickBank covers that they already give you. Create a quick lead generation funnel so you can start building your list and keep on selling all kinds of products after they are on your list. So anyway, one more bonus tip because the value doesn't end, right? All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. This has been Barbie Figueroa. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.